Cool. Yeah, my name's Chad. I'm building SatsGG, and yeah, I've been working on applications involving the intersection of Lightning and video streaming for the past few years, and this is the result of all the knowledge I've gained doing that. So, some background here. It's really hard to monetize your content today. Creators don't have great options to directly monetize their content. So this is just an image of a creator's YouTube analytics. They got 83,000 views over the course of a month, and their revenue was only $280. You know, we get used to large numbers these days, but 83,000 people, I mean, that's enough people to fill up an entire stadium, and they only made 280 bucks. So where do these creators go to actually make their money? There's a few platforms they go to, one of which is Patreon, maybe OnlyFans, Gumroad, or maybe they just try to sell merch. But what's wrong with these platforms? The content creators are forced to migrate their audience to an entirely new platform. Every viewer has to create another account, trust another company with their credit card information, and add another monthly subscription. Yeah, this is just a meme. People having a good time on Nostr, people vibing on X, and a creator trying to get them to subscribe to his Patreon. But does it have to be this way? What if content creators could directly monetize their videos without locking their content behind a walled garden? What if content creators could monetize their content and benefit from their existing social graphs on other platforms? What if content creators could upload content to one place and let viewers watch that content anywhere? Introducing SatsGG, an open platform to monetize your digital content anywhere. Cool. So what is SatsGG? First of all, it's a service. It lets content creators upload their video just like they would on YouTube or Twitch. We support an entirely new protocol for streaming media called L402 HLS, and I'll talk a little bit more about that later. We provide a user-facing video player, which I'm calling a Lightning video player, that facilitates the viewers paying for the content. And we give content creators the capability to distribute their content across the web. All right, live demo time. Let's get it.
Woo! Let's go. Yeah.
All right, here it is, sas.gg, greeted with this landing page where you can post content and get paid. So there's two buttons here, go live and watch. We're gonna do it live. All right, so here the creator has some options, what kind of quality levels they wanna upload their video at, and for how long they want to stream it. So I'm just going to pick a few here. Purchase a stream here, 21 minutes. Okay, so this is where things start to feel a little bit different versus other streaming platforms. So on sats.gg, the viewers can specify their rates that they charge to or the content creators can specify their rates that they charge to the viewers to watch their streams. Sats.gg also takes a portion of that payment. And so I'm going to set a few prices here. So we'll just do like 3 sats per minute for 480p, whatever. So the interface here for paying out to the content creator is a Lightning address. That's all they need. So put mine in here. And we could see, you know, estimate how much it might cost a viewer to watch their content. So click next. Cool. Got a Lightning invoice here. I'll pay this. Come on, Strike. Cool. Yeah, so payment went through. We're configuring the streaming channel for the user right now. This takes about 2 minutes. So some notes on my back end here. It's built using most of the same technologies that Twitch uses today. So it's already highly scalable. On the viewer side, the downloading side, all of the content is behind a content delivery network. So it's capable of supporting up to hundreds of thousands of viewers. And that works with L402 HLS protocol. After the channel is ready, we'll get presented with the RTMP server URL and a stream key, and we can use it to go live. This is the longest part, don't worry.
This is where you insert a fun fact.
All right, so we've just provisioned and configured all of the necessary streaming backend required for a user to go live. I'll copy this RTMP URL right here, and we're going to stream Stoffel the honey badger. So you just paste this in here. This is open broadcasting software, by the way. It's like the biggest open source broadcasting software. Click Start Streaming. And we're live. Cool. So yeah, we're live right now, but we need people to be able to discover and find our content on the internet. So we're here on the dashboard, and this is where the user can change their stream title, add participants to the stream, get notifications, chat with their viewers, things like that. But we're going to focus on here is the sharing aspect. So I'm going to go share on 3 different platforms. So the first one, we're going to look at this embed link here. It's 1 line of HTML code. It's an iframe that you can copy and paste into your own personal website, into your Ghosty or Ghost, Substack, Squarespace, WordPress, whatever you want. So I have a demo website here that I'll paste it into. All right, it's done. All right, cool. Yeah, there it is, your own monetized video content directly on your personal website. So this website is just meant to, kind of illustrate someone that's trying to sell behind the scenes content, exclusive content, early release content, something like that. So I'll just show you what it looks like to play this video. All right, so we're presented with the payments interface. This payments interface is built directly into the video player. And you have the option of selecting what quality you want to watch, how long you want to watch it. So I'm just going to click 2 minutes here. And we'll get a QR code. One thing that's important to note about this QR code is that it's one Lightning invoice that is paid to both me and the content creator. It gets split using hold invoices, so it's non-custodial. And you can't watch the content unless we both get paid. And I can't take the money without paying the content creator. So yeah, I'll just pay this real quick. All right, so I just paid it, and I just got my split as the content creator straight to my Lightning wallet. And the video is loading, and now we have access to watch it. There we go. So yeah, there's your monetized video content, the features you'd get from Patreon, OnlyFans, Gumroad, right in your personal website, your blog, by copying and pasting 1 line. All right, cool. So now I'm going to take you guys back to sats.gg. So you can post content here and distribute it. But you can also watch content here. So sats.gg is also a Nostr client. So if we go here to watch, I built it to look like Twitch TV. I think it's probably the best streaming interface. You can see our stream is already here and discoverable on Nostr. But before I click on that, I just want to show you another stream. Cool. So this is no good stream. And I just want to point out that this video player is the exact same video player you just saw, and it's playing a regular HLS stream right here. If we go over to the quality selector, you can see that there's a 1080p stream, and it's free. The L402 HLS protocol, you could have a 1080p free tier with ads and a 1080p premium tier that you have to pay for. Yeah, it's pretty flexible. So if I go over to my stream, here it is. You get the payments interface again, and you can pay it and watch the video natively on Nostr. So I just got my cut, and now we're watching monetized content directly on Nostr. So yeah, you get the benefit of if you're trying to sell content, sell premium content, now Nostr is just another distribution mechanism for your content. More people to share it, more people to view it. Yeah. So I just want to point out one more thing. I have been building a web-align-enabled Lightning extension. I'm not going to show it here. Nice. I don't expect the majority of users to ever even see this payments interface. All the payments are going to be happening behind the scenes. I swear it'll go away soon. All the payments are going to be happening behind the scenes, and it's just going to feel like you're watching a normal video. All right, so I'm going to pause this. I'm going to show you guys one more platform. So we're going to go share it to Twitter. Cool. So we're at the Tweet Composer. We have a link to the stream. I'm going to post this in here. There's our video player directly in our feed. I'm going to click on this. And there we go, the payments interface, monetized video directly in your Twitter feed. Pay this one too, just to show you it works. Yeah, so now your content, it's all over the internet. You can get paid from anywhere. Anyone can watch it. People can share it. I mean, imagine you're Dirty Coin trying to get your documentary out there. You might want to post it on Twitter and have Bitcoiners retweet it, get more publicity. All right. So that's the end of the demo. All right, so what did we just see? We took the core value proposition of platforms like Patreon, Gumroad, OnlyFans, and we brought it to your personal blog, your personal website, Nostr, Twitter. So what? The content reached the viewers where they already are. The viewers paid and didn't have to sign up for another platform. How does it work? So the magic behind this is the L402 HLS protocol. It's a combination of L402 and HLS. HLS, if you don't know, it's called HTTP live streaming. It's a standard, widely used standard for streaming video content on the internet. If you've ever used Netflix, YouTube, Twitch, Spotify, Twitter, you've used HLS. And L402 is from Lightning Labs. It's a way to pay for resources on the web. So if you combine these two together, you get L402 HLS, and it's a native protocol for purchasing streamed content on the internet. So yeah, looking forward from here. We're live, usable today for streaming. That's what I just demoed. The to-dos, of course, I need to keep polishing up the app, work on mobile support. And the first feature I'm really excited to add is support for video on demand, which is regular videos just like you'd find on YouTube. HLS works for video on demand just like it works for live streaming, just like it works for audio-only streams. So I'm also going to be exploring support for audio-only streams. So this same technology for things like music and podcasts. Spotify uses HLS as well. Yeah, so in conclusion, with Lightning, we often talk about finding our killer app. But content creation is already a $150 billion market. So instead of trying to invent something new to sell, how about we just let the content creators be the killer app? That's all. I'm Chad. That's Sats GG. Thanks for your time.